Hey friends, Vidha here. Welcome to Glossy Space Interior. So now I am at Aparna Cyberscape. I'm going to show you some technical thing of the ceiling. Fall ceiling work is going on here. So guys, here we did, you can see the basic design is with WPVC rafter, L pattern we kept, and this will be plain white ceiling. On that we have taken magnetic track channel. Guys, magnetic track channel, if I say you, these are the metal channel, black color. The main body will be SS, and on the top of that black color coating are there, powder coating will be there. And see, one strip is there, we have to remove it, then the channel will be exposed, and different kind of lights will be available. That part I will tell you, I'll make separate video. But here what I want to focus is how to fix it. So you can see the channel, which every 2 feet they have given support. Every 2 feet we have given L support to the roof, so that our channel stability is very high. That is why directly this channel, magnetic channels, we have fixed it with our basic ceiling channel. And stability wise we are not facing any issues. But it varies. Like our vendor, we specially check with that every 2 feet this L channel should be there, but sometimes fall ceiling persons, they will not maintain that. In that case you have to make some L plywood channel, and with for giving the support of this magnetic channel. Otherwise, while you will fix various light of with this magnetic channel, those will have some weight, approximate like 300 to 400 gram per light. So like that 4 to 5 lights you have to fix. So that time what will happen, this magnetic track channel, it might come down and it might bend. So if you want to follow that, in future you don't want any kind of hurdle, so it's better to give either like this support, or maybe plywood support also you can give. So in this case we are not giving any plywood support. Instead of, gypsum board will fix with both the side. And this model, guys, this is recessed one, this is not the suspended one. It will be recessed, only the particular only the facial part you will see on the ceiling. So this is all about the track, how to fix track to the ceiling. And one more thing, this is the corner. This corner part will come separately, and per meter wise the cost will be calculated. Per meter cost, it varies. It depends on the which company you have taken. It's starting from 900 to, it takes you about 3000 to 4000. So it's always better to take some good company one, because it's an electrical thing. And one more thing, guys, you might be thinking that once I have fitted, in future if any problem comes, then how to rectify it, how they will do services. So I will tell you here, actually no need to do anything with the channel, only the adapter part we have to change if anything happens. So it is really safe to use, no problem at all that in future we have to remove our ceiling, nothing like that. Only the adapter you have to change, and that adapter will be fixed outside only, not inside the ceiling. So this is all about the magnetic track channel, and safely and securely you can use it. It will aesthetically, it will give you very beautiful look. Thank you.